So here we're having a graph. Which of the following inequalities represent the graph above? You see this graph here, the graph is from -2. You see this is y -2 because this is line y. Okay, remember, if it's horizontal it represents y. If it is vertical, it's x. Horizontal lines y, vertical lines x. So we have -2 there, so y, you see it's going upwards. Remember, if it's dotted lines, it's either greater than or less than. Okay, when it's dotted lines. But we're looking at this, where it's being shaded is above, so it's definitely above, and it's above -2. So y is greater than -2. Since it's above, it's greater than. So if it's below, it's less than. So y is greater than -2. Then if you're looking at number 2 here, so if you're having -2 here, so which are the following inequalities represented above here? The first thing you're going to do is to find the equation of that line. Finding the equation of the line, we have 0.02, -3, and 0. From y equal to mx plus c, you could easily find that. So we have y. What is m? M is we have y2, y2 and y1. That's 2. Y2 is 2 there. 2 minus 0, and then 0 minus -3. 0 minus -3 is 0 plus 3. That's 3. So 2/3. Okay, 2/3x plus c. Now the c is where it cuts the intercept, which is 2 at 2. So we have where it cuts the y-intercept at 2. Okay, so we have 2/3x plus 2. If you rearrange this, you have 3y, multiply everything by 3. 3y equal to 2x plus 6. So that's the equation of this line. But now we notice that it is we see it's less than, see, less than, so less than that line. So we have 3y is less than, but because of the shaded line is shaded, so it's less than or equal to. So we have less than or equal to 2x plus 6. We could rearrange this. By doing 2x plus okay, let's just rearrange it. 3y minus 2x. 3y minus 2x is less than or equal to 6. So which of them matches that? 3y minus 2x less than or equal to 6. So that's D. Nothing else matches that. Okay, so let's look at the next one, number 3. So here, number 3, so which of the following inequalities represent the graph above? The graph here, so you know it is a negative slope. Definitely it's a negative slope, and it's either greater than or less than. There's no equal to, since it's dotted lines. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get the equation of that line. So we have y from y equal to mx plus c, intercept slope form. I love this pattern. So you see it cuts the y-axis as -1, so we know that our intercept is -1 already. So -1, y equal to mx minus 1. What is m? You see, this is so from here, y equal to mx minus 1, we have y equal to, from m, what will be the slope? The slope, we having 0 minus -1, which is +1, and then you having the slope there, -1 minus 0. Okay, -1 minus -0, so you have -1 over -1 as the m slope. So you have -1 there, that's minus x minus 1. Since the intercept is -1, we know the intercept is -1 since it cuts the y-axis at -1. So y equal to minus x minus 1. Rearrange this, you have y plus x is equal to -1. But because our symbol here is not equal to, it is actually less than, and there's no it's dotted line, so it's just less than, not equal to. So we have less than -1. Y plus x, or x plus y, is less than -1. Remember, addition is commutative, so x plus y, x minus y, same thing. We have -1 here. So x plus y is less than -1. Where's that? This is it. X plus y is less than -1. Okay, question number 4, and then we wrap it up. So we have which of the following inequalities represent the graph above? So here, look, this is a point slope. We're going to use a point slope. And how are we going to, what do we mean by point slope? and we know that the slope of every line, each point of that line actually has a slope in it. So this line passes through the origin, so we have y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. So if y equal to mx, that's it, because there's no intercept since it passes through the origin. So y is equal to, you know, the m there is 2/1, which is actually 2. So we have y equal to x. But look at this very well. This line is this way, so it's definitely greater than. So y is greater than, but with it, because it's a thick line, it's not broken line, it's greater than or equal to, y is greater than or equal to 2x. So now if the intercept is 0, we can just add +0, so that will just make it look like something, but you know the intercept is 0. So rearrange it to be having y minus 2x is greater than or equal to 0. That's it. So let's look for that. 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 0. It's not the same thing. Or we could turn this, we could flip this around, carry 0 to the other side. You can flip it around and say 2x, just to make sure we get something that's similar. So 2x minus y, move 0 to the other side. We have we'll turn it upside down. We have less than or equal to 0. So 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0. This is answer B, because this can still be rearranged to give you the opposite, the inverse of it. Okay, so I think that is it for question number 1 and 4. So